So here's how to send and share files on Dropbox. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you are logged into your Chrome browser, now here you have to simply search for the Dropbox and you have to sign into your account. Once you are signed into your Dropbox account, now here you have to click on this upload icon to upload any files from your computer. And once you click on it, now it will redirect you to your computer's library. Then from here you have to select any image, files or the videos that you want to upload, and once you have selected the file, then click on the open to upload. Now you have to wait for the time until your file is being uploaded to your Dropbox account. Once your file is uploaded to your Dropbox account, now here you have to simply click on the copy link option next to it. And once you copied the link, now you can share this link to anyone on your WhatsApp or any other media. So that's how to send and share files via Dropbox.